I bought and tested these doubled-in head units so you don't have to waste money. I know how overwhelming it can be to choose the right car stereo, so I've done the legwork for you. Let's dive into the top 5 options that can transform your driving experience.
Product number 1, Boss Audio Systems BVB9358RC. From the moment I unboxed the Boss Audio Systems BVB9358RC, I felt a sense of excitement. This double-din unit boasts a 7-inch touchscreen, and its sleek design caught my eye right away. What really got me was the seamless integration of both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, perfect for a tech-savvy driver like me. I installed it in my car, and the setup was surprisingly straightforward. The Bluetooth connectivity was a breeze, allowing me to sync my phone and start taking calls hands-free in no time. As I hit the road, the user interface was intuitive. I could easily access my music, maps, and messages without taking my eyes off the road. The built-in Siri voice controls were a game changer, letting me manage everything just by speaking. Need to find a gas station or respond to a text? No problem, just a quick voice command and I was good to go. The sound quality was impressive too. With 80 watts times 4 channels, the audio output delivered clear sound, whether I was blasting my favorite podcast or jamming to some tunes. The multicolor illumination feature was a nice touch, allowing me to match the stereo's lighting to my car's interior. Small but thoughtful details like this made the experience even better. However, it wasn't all smooth sailing. I found the screen resolution, 800x480, a bit lacking compared to some competitors, and the absence of a CD/DVD player might deter traditionalists. On the other hand, the inputs for USB and cameras made it versatile enough for modern needs. So, why should you buy the Boss Audio Systems BVB9358RC? If you're looking for a user-friendly, feature-rich head unit that keeps you connected while driving, this is a fantastic choice. Plus, with a price tag under $120, it delivers great value for the tech features you get. Just be prepared to embrace a digital lifestyle. Who needs CDs anyway?
Product number 2, Pioneer DMH130BT. When I first laid hands on the Pioneer DMH130BT, I couldn't help but appreciate its solid build and sleek design. This unit, sporting a 6.8-inch resistive touchscreen, felt well crafted and ready to enhance my driving experience. After a straightforward installation, I was eager to test out all its features. The first thing I noticed was how quickly I could connect my smartphone via Bluetooth. The hands-free calling was crystal clear, making it easy to chat while keeping focus on the road. One standout feature for me was the Amazon Alexa integration through the Vozus app. It felt like having a personal assistant right in my car. I could ask Alexa to play music or check the weather without lifting a finger, which is perfect during those busy mornings or road trips. The customization options were another highlight. With over 100 illumination color options, I had fun matching the stereo's look to my vehicle's vibe. However, the resistive touchscreen was less responsive than I had hoped. It required a firmer touch compared to capacitive screens, which could be frustrating at times. Additionally, the lack of a built-in navigation system means I had to rely on my smartphone for directions, which isn't a deal breaker, but something to consider. Would I recommend the Pioneer DMH130BT? Absolutely. If you're looking for a reliable, feature-rich head unit that's easy to use, this one checks all the boxes. With its reasonable price point of $200, it's a solid investment for anyone wanting to upgrade their in-car entertainment.
Product number 3, Boss Audio Systems BVCP9700A. Unboxing the Boss Audio Systems BVCP9700A was an exciting moment for me. This head unit promised a lot with its sleek design and 7-inch touchscreen that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. My first impressions were that it felt modern and was full of potential. Installation was straightforward, and the moment I powered it on, I was greeted by an intuitive interface that was easy to navigate. Connecting my iPhone was seamless. Using Siri, I was able to access my music, maps, and even send texts without ever taking my hands off the wheel. The Bluetooth functionality worked perfectly too.
I could stream music from Spotify or Pandora effortlessly, making my driving experience much more enjoyable. The sound output was impressive, providing a rich audio experience that filled my car with sound, making long drives much more fun. However, I did face a minor drawback. The resolution was decent, but it didn't quite match some other higher-end models. Also, the absence of a CD or DVD player may deter some users who prefer physical media. On the plus side, I appreciated the multiple input options, including USB and camera inputs, which added versatility. So why should you consider the Boss Audio Systems BV-CP9700A? If you're looking for an affordable and feature-rich head unit that can keep you connected on the road, this is a fantastic option. With a price of around $180, it offers great value for the features it brings to the table.
Product number 4, Atoto Wireless 7-inch Double-DIN Car Stereo. The Atoto Wireless 7-inch Double-DIN Car Stereo was a pleasant surprise from the moment I opened the box. At a budget-friendly price of just over $60, I wasn't expecting too much, but this unit exceeded my expectations in several ways. The wireless capabilities for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto made connecting my phone a breeze, and I loved the freedom of not having to fumble with cables. Once installed, the 1024x600 HD IPS touchscreen displayed vibrant colors and provided a responsive touch experience. I could access navigation apps like Google Maps or Waze easily, which was a lifesaver during my road trips. The real-time traffic updates were particularly helpful, guiding me through unfamiliar routes without hassle. The sound quality, powered by 45W x4, was surprisingly good for a unit at this price point. Whether I was listening to music or podcasts, the audio was clear and balanced. The 10-band EQ feature allowed me to customize the sound to my liking, making drives much more enjoyable. However, there were a few downsides. The unit's build quality felt a bit plasticky, and the camera input could be finicky at times. Why should you buy the Atoto Wireless 7-inch Double-DIN Car Stereo? If you're on a budget but want modern features like wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, this unit is an excellent choice. It brings a lot of value for its price, making it perfect for those looking to upgrade their car stereo without breaking the bank. Product number 5, Boss Audio Systems 820BRGB. The Boss Audio Systems 820BRGB is the epitome of budget-friendly versatility. When I first saw its price tag of under $60, I was skeptical but hopeful. This unit is designed without a CD/DVD player, which is becoming more common, and it focuses heavily on Bluetooth functionality. Setting it up was quick and easy, and I was soon enjoying hands-free calling and streaming music from my phone with no hassle. The sound quality surprised me, delivering 60 watts times 4 channels that filled my small car with rich, clear audio. I immediately replaced the factory stereo, and the difference was night and day. I loved the multicolor illumination feature that offers over 16 million color combinations, letting me customize the look to match my mood or my car's interior. However, the lack of advanced features like a touchscreen or built-in navigation might be a downside for some. The RCA and USB inputs are adequate for basic needs, but if you're looking for something more comprehensive, you might want to invest a bit more. In conclusion, the Boss Audio Systems 820BRGB is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their car stereo on a budget. If you want solid performance and customization options without spending a fortune, this is the way to go.
In conclusion, whether you're after cutting-edge technology or just a reliable way to enjoy your music on the road, there's a double-DIN head unit on this list for you. I hope this deep dive helps you make an informed decision. Drive safe and enjoy the tunes.